Are you a business that produces quality manufactured goods in Botswana? And do you have the capacity to grow your production to supply the export market? Botswana Investment and Trade Center, through its Export Development and Promotion function, is mandated to create and increase awareness of foreign market opportunities for local manufacturing companies, as well as capacitate them for export through intensive support and guidance to compete in foreign markets. Further to that, local companies are facilitated to go to market through various export promotion initiatives, such as participation in local, regional and international exhibitions and contact promotion missions in various markets. These efforts are key in accelerating Botswana's economic growth and expansion of market share, both regionally and internationally. Potential export companies are identified through the Exporter Development Program, through which local companies are assessed for export readiness and capacitated with relevant market access knowledge and interventions to grow and enhance their export competitiveness at a regional and international scale. Different export markets have different requirements for trade, and BITC works with selected companies to ensure that they meet the minimum requirements for the export market. The interventions provided through this program include adoption of quality management systems, which enables product and process certification, which is key in exporting. Further to that, the program also assists in acquisition of trade certifications needed for cross-border trading. Other interventions include product branding, labeling standard, packaging, and various other factors for a complete product presentation. To further capacitate local companies for export, BITC works with key stakeholders, including international market experts, to ensure that their products meet requirements of specific markets such as the European Union. Companies which successfully complete the program are issued with certification of export readiness, which verifies the ability to supply international markets. This is one way we aim to. #PusherBW. For more information on how to enroll your business into the Exporter Development Program, visit the BITC website at www.bitc.co.bw for more information, or call us at 363-3300. #GoBotswana.